filter and search options. On the top of the screen you can see 4 options to filter the calls. You can filter according to the call group, work in progress, cancellation requested, cancelled, rejected, closed. Also you can select the date when the call was created. By days, today, yesterday, the last 7 days. Custom range. If you choose the option custom range, in this case you can choose the 7 days according to your needs. The custom range cannot be more than 7 days, as you can see, from 16 to 22nd. If you choose another option, you can see it will move always that you have only 7 days. You can change also the time from when, and don't forget to click also on apply, so the custom range will be saved on the top here. Then country is not so important for you, region also not, and you can also get more options to filter and search clicking on the plus sign on the right side top, where you can filter the calls according to the customer location, state, zip code, customer number, part number, and also according to the service type. You can see it here: carry in, collect, return, labor only. These are the calls. These are the calls without parts. Parts and labor, standard MBD calls, and 4-hour calls, or return to base RTB calls. Provider, there will be automatically selected your company. Then according to the part update, if the part was shipped or is with ETA, then as soon as the call will be assigned to some engineer, you can choose also just one engineer to check how many calls are assigned directly to him, how many are finished, etc. LOB code is according to the system. You can see to each of the codes you have here show description, fixed workstation, Alienware desktop, PowerEdge, Ecologic, etc. So for example, we can choose XPS notebooks. Service tag number and system classification is also show description. So as you can see, I have selected some day and XPS notebooks, so clicking on search, the number of calls decreased. There are 2 calls work in progress, 6 are cancelled, and closed 58. And it was during this time range from 10th to 16th of August. As soon as you have filtered the calls that you need, you can for sure open them, and you can also create report clicking on export button. In the pop-up window you have to select the file that you need, and the tool will generate now the report. Directly in the report you will have all details regarding the calls, like service tag number, when the call was created, when the part was delivered, customer details, etc. So there will be the majority of the information. There is then another option for search. I will make it so. And it is with the service tag number. If you want to search with the service tag number, then let these fields empty and put here the service tag number. Now you can click on search, and you can see the number has changed. Currently 2 calls are work in progress, 4 are cancelled, 1 is closed. Reason why the calls are still open is that the part is not available. You can to each of the you have to the service tag number also the DPS numbers, so you can then directly check. And the easiest way to search is with the DPS number directly on the left top window, where you just put the DPS number. This window is dedicated only for searching with the DPS number and clicking on the search button. Then you will get directly the call details, status, and you can check what you need. So this is regarding search and filter option. Let me check if I don't forget something. We can, or better to say, I can show it to you one more time. We need, for example, work in progress calls for country Hungary, provider CHS, and now as I have selected one partner here, I can check directly the engineer, for example, and search. Currently only one call assigned to this engineer.